Good morning, YouTube fishing fam, and welcome to another episode of Wild West Bassin'. We're out on the Gila River throwing some frogs, and I got my buddy Derek who invited me out on his little 8-foot Pelican boat. We're gonna see if we can catch some mondos for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get to fishing.
We got one.
Oh my God, that's a good one too. Oh my God, dude, it's a fucking good.
Damn!
Look at this giant.
Sick.
Oh my God, look at this fucking chicken.
Damn. That is badass.
Look at that. You're recording this,
I
man.
am recording, bro.
Look at that fuck toe. Look at the big ol' eyes.
God, look how big his eyes are, dude. Holy shit. Nice, bro.
He wasn't getting off. He was hit.
Sick. It's kind of skinny though, huh? That should be a 3 or a 4, no?
Probably. We're gonna weigh it quick.
That's how you frog fish, people. Learn from him.
Yeah, look at that brute.
Sick, frog fishing.
I'm not even recording. I haven't even done an intro or anything. Nice, look at that. Oh.
Shy of what, 3?
302, baby, 302.
That's sick. Nice.
That's a good freaking frog fish right there.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, go for the release. Oh. We got us another one. We got us a frog fish, YouTube. Got us a little frog fish right where that dock is right there. We got us some nice little frog fish.
Little baby, little dinker.
Yeah, it's just a little guy, but they're fun when it's a frog fish. Oh. I need the pliers real quick in my bag. There we go. There you go, YouTube. Probably a nice little pound. Oh. Jerry's got a good one. That's a good one, dude.
It is, dude.
That is a good one. Oh yeah, yeah. Come here. No, he ain't. He inhaled that frog. Come here. Oh, look at that frog. Frogfish inhaling that frog, YouTube.
First frog fish.
It's your first frogfish ever, huh?
Ever.
There you go, boy.
God, he's heavy, dude.
That's a good solid, probably 3+ right there.
God, now I know why people like frog fishing, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, I am. Look at that, dude. Ooh, I wonder if it's my PB. You got the scale, bro?
I do.
This has to be my PB.
There you go. I'll put on a seat for you. You're good.
Let's check this. Could be my PB right here. With my 2.25.
Ooh. Thanks.
There it is. No, it's 2.24, and this one's 2.49. 2.5 pounder. It's my PB, bro.
That's your PB right there?
That's my PB.
Well, we're gonna break that some more today. Hopefully.
All day.
Yep.
I bet his lips are.
Getting the LFG sniff. Good old Lake Fort guy sniff. Oh! Yeah. Like I was getting a backlash and I didn't even move it. And he came and
nailed it.
Yep. He's just a little guy, but here we go, YouTube. Just another little guy, but it's still a frogfish, a little feisty guy. Look at that. He was not coming off. There you go, YouTube. Yeah. I was getting a backlash out. That fish just came up and ate it. I heard it, heard the little splash. I was like, oh, where's my frog? Set the hook. There he was.
Wait 2 seconds, don't you?
Yeah.
Got him.
Got him. There you go. Oh, sorry. That's my fault.
A little baby one.
There you go, YouTube. On the sprinkler frog.
From Bama Bassin. Oh, ripped his lip. There you go, buddy.
It's probably your girl, right?
Spot, where do you think we're gonna go?
All right, YouTube. We're at spot number 2. We caught about a total of 5 bass in that first spot within that probably what, a 50-yard stretch?
50-yard stretch, dude.
About a 50-yard stretch. We caught about 5 bass, missed some other blow-ups. I caught a 3, Derek caught a 2.5. We broke his PB. We're gonna see if we can break his PB again and have him catch a 3+. They're in here, we just gotta find them. So stay tuned and let's get to fishing. Well, YouTube, I just made another mistake of not recording, but I caught another one on a frog.
Rookie mistake.
Yep, rookie mistake. But that was awesome. On the edge of that grass line.
They're on the edge of it?
Yeah, like right in there. Oh!
You're good, bro. You're good, you're good.
I'm so sorry.
You're good, bro. I knew it was gonna happen anyways. Either me hitting you or you hitting me. You're good. You're good, bro. Swing away, bro.
Alright, YouTube. We're gonna give you a little bit of a rundown. It is current time. Oh, I don't know what time it is. Probably what, like 9, 10 o'clock?
About 10 o'clock.
Yep. So,
I would tell you, but my phone went in the water. Sorry, bro.
no, you're good. That's just, I can't believe that happened, yeah. So we're still throwing frogs and I love this time of season. We have only caught, I think we've caught one down on that long stretch. You guys saw us work. But we missed other blow-ups. But we're still grinding at it. We're still going. Air temps right now, it's probably in the 80s right now. It's supposed to reach 91. It feels really nice out. Oh. No, I missed him. I missed him. All right, YouTube fishing fam, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day. We caught about 8 fish, missed a lot of blow-ups. He broke his PB today, and today was an awesome day with throwing the frog. Derek, I can't thank you enough with taking me out, dude. It's been fun. So
it has.
Guys,
awesome.
If you guys enjoyed today's video, please smash that thumbs up. If you like these types of videos where we're fishing all top water the whole day, comment down below. If you guys want to see whopper ploppers, spooks, whatever, let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Once we hit 250 followers, we'll be doing our very first giveaway. We will see you guys on the next video. We're out.